वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। आज क्लास 6 का एसएसटी, इसमें लेसन 3 प्री हिस्टोरिकल सोसाइटी कर्नाटक स्टेट से, ठीक है। तो इसमें ये आज एसएसटी का थर्ड लेसन लेने वाले। अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आता है तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, ठीक है। तो इसमें न्यू वर्ड्स कुछ दिए गए हैं, वो हम देखते हैं। ममाल, एनिमल दैट फीड its baby, for example cow and goat. Reptile, animal that creep or crawl, for example snake, millipede. Amphibian, animal that live both on land in water, for example frog. Biped, animal which can stand and walk on 2 legs, for example gorilla man. Filling the blanks. Question 1. The period without writing or script is known as Paleolithic period. Microlithic age is also known as Mesolithic age. Earlier evidence of agriculture have been found in Mehergarh part of Indian subcontinent. Next question 2. Answer the following question. Which are the 3 main stages of history? इसका आंसर है जनरली हिस्ट्री में बी डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स: prehistoric period, prohistoric period and historic period. When was the earth born? Scientists say that the earth was 4600 million years ago. Question 3. Why was the Mesolithic age is also called as Macrolithic age? Answer है, during this period human beings started using a small tools that were efficient than the bigger one, hence it is called Macrolithic age. Next question है, name the tool used by the people of Mesolithic age. This smaller tool have fixed to be wooden handle and used as spear while hunting. Next question 5 है, in which age did people start agriculture? In Neolithic age people start agriculture. Which was the first metal used by human beings? The first metal that human being used as copper. What do common people call the tomb of Grand Stone Age as? In the tomb of Grand Stone cultures, stone circle are the constructed in the chamber where the dead body is kept. Next 8 question है, name the important place of Grand Stone Age in Karnataka. Important site in Karnataka that belongs to Iron Age are Benali, Heribenkullu, Brahmagiri, Koppa, Hegdehalli, T. Narsipura, Hemigi, Hallur, Jagijenahalli, Savandurga, Hutri Durga, Pandavara and Dini, etc. Next, third question. Discuss in group and answer. Which are the factories that initiate the practice of agriculture in Neolithic age? Since the Mesolithic human beings were into animal husbandry, they often face shortage of food for themselves and for their animal, so these people started producing their own food during Neolithic age, they started cultivating on the alluvial soil on the bank of river. Agriculture provided food to them and fodder to their animal. Question 2. What change occurred with the introduction of iron during the Iron Age? Iron weapons and implement were helpful in agriculture and handicraft as the use of iron increased in North India. Aggregation activity geared up. Thus there was surplus yield some 2600 years ago. The class which controlled surplus yield emerged as ruling class. They were the Republic states. Thereafter Nanda Mayura Empire became prominent important sites in Karnataka. That belongs to Iron Age are Banhalli, Hirabenu Kallu, Brahmagiri, Koppa, Hegedehalli. T. Naira Rishpura, Hemiyesh Halur, Jagijanhalli, Savanadurga, Hutri Durga and Pandwara Dini. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ ये प्री हिस्टोरिक सोसाइटी जो एसएसटी का चैप्टर है यहीं पे खत्म होता है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.